Cirque du Soleil has arrived in Trieste with its world-famous show Alegría, setting up its iconic big top in the city center. The event brought nearly 700,000 in infrastructure upgrades funded with the regional support to prepare the 30,000 square meter site.
Cirque du Soleil has been existing for 41 years this year. We've been around since 1984, and we're very happy that this is the first time we'll be coming to Trieste with Alegría in a new light, which is a revival of one of our most iconic shows that we've produced throughout the years. It really has all the essence of what people expect from Cirque du Soleil.
First time in the northeast of Italy. It's already been in Rome and in Milan, now in Trieste. It's a big honor for our city and for our region to host for the first time Alegría and a new light, and for the first time Cirque du Soleil, that is the greatest live show in the world.
Cirque is in Trieste. It will stay for more than a month because we have a week to prepare to set up the show and 4 weeks of performances. People are coming from all over the world to the city. It's been a long job because the first conversations to make Cirque du Soleil possible in Trieste happened, I would say, 2 years ago. Then there was a long plan to find the right area to prepare it. And eventually we are here. It doesn't seem possible, but it is possible. And I think that it's a sign for all those people that say, in Trieste it's not possible to do things. In Trieste it's possible to do things.